Americans changing their plans and staying home this Thanksgiving because of the coronavirus. Many people could be prepping their first ever Turkey Day meal, and that includes our very own Jesse Irwin as he gears up to prepare a turkey dinner at the Pittsburgh Fire Department.
You guys, we are hanging out here this morning at the Pittsburgh Fire Department, where we are joined by some Pittsburgh High School students, and we are also joined by Chef Anthony Fisher, who, Chef Anthony, you are the culinary expert, and I go to you for many things, but I called you yesterday because I said, Chef Anthony, I want to know how to properly fry a turkey. What does it take to fry a turkey?
Number one, high temperature smoke point oil and a completely thawed bird.
Okay.
And patience.
Patience.
Can't rush it. Must have patience.
You had what looked like a vaccine or something in your hands a little bit ago.
I was doing a little bit of marinating.
Okay.
You don't want to put any seasoning on the outside of it, because when you put it into the oil, anything you put on the outside of it's going to wash off. So it's worthless to put anything on the outside of it. So I use an injectable. This is a butter-based injectable, and I'm just getting it into the breast. And if you're doing a whole bird where this is just the breast, you'll inject the thighs, and you'll inject the legs just to make sure that you have plenty in there. And this will help make sure that it stays nice and juicy inside and flavorful.
And what do we want the temperature to be at?
We want our temperature on our oil to be about 350 degrees.
All right, where are we at right now?
We're at about 180, 170.
All right, so we're getting there. We're going to continue to hang out with Chef Anthony, his students, and of course Chief Riley here this morning as we show you how to properly and improperly fry a bird. So we'll send it back to you, Tanya. We'll catch up with you over on Fox 14 at 7 o'clock.
Well, thanks, Jesse. Can't wait to see how this turkey turns out. All right, that's